Hey everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors. I just got an awesome mail call from GearAmerica. So I've got this big box here, came in a nice priority mail box with some GearAmerica tape on it. I love when people personalize their stuff, so let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Took the liberty of opening it up. We've got a toe strap. Got a pair of shackles. GearAmerica gear bag. Nice set of work gloves. Let's see. Oh, it's like your Christmas stocking. It never really ends. A Snatch Block and another strap. So let's take a look at everything that's in here. So we've got, first off, let's start with the GearAmerica gear bag here. So this is the bag that holds all of your recovery gear essentials. But it serves two purposes. Not only is it a well-built, handy bag that's going to hold all your gear, but it's also a line damper. So what that does is, if you're running out your winch cable or winch rope, you put a little weight in here, put a couple rocks or your shackles or whatever, put it over the rope, zip it, and then if you ever have a rope snap, it's not going to jerk back and injure somebody or go flying out of the way or send a projectile your way. So that's great. So it's got some big pockets on the outside. And 4 more pockets on the inside here, all with real tough Velcro, so to hold everything in this kit. And a little handy carrying cable, or carrying handle there. Next up, we've got a short strap, all held together with a nice little Velcro belt. And this is a tree saver. So what this is for is this is what you wrap around a tree. And it does exactly what it says. It saves the tree. It's a tree saver. You don't want to run a winch cable or winch rope around a tree because it can damage the tree and it can damage the rope or the cable. So that's what the tree saver is for. It's a short strap. Connect it with a shackle. Hook up your winch line to it or hook up a snatch block to it. We'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, there you go. You got a tree saver. Similar to the tree saver, but a heck of a lot longer, is this 3-inch by 20-foot toe strap. So this is a heavy-duty toe strap. It's like a 34,000 pound braking. Hook it up, yank somebody out. So this is GearAmerica's 3-inch by 20-foot toe strap. So that comes with it too. We have a pair of shackles. Love the orange. Got orange accessories on the Jeep, so they're going to go on the front of the Jeep. It's going to look great. Pair of shackles, and these are actually really well thought out shackles. Not only are they powder coated, so they look good, but they have isolators to keep it from banging up against the bumper. There's also these rubber spacers or grommets here, so when you mount them, you can have a spacer on either side. It won't clang and bang. You can put one here right beside the pin, so it keeps it from corroding or rusting or anything like that, and keeps it quiet. So we got a pair of those shackles. And a nice set of work gloves. Some GearAmerica work gloves here. A nice little breathable top. The bottom is a heavy-duty, kind of wear-resistant. Fingertips are all built. The palm is built. So this is a great way when you're running out cable or rope and you're using your hands. You don't have to worry about cutting them up and burning them. So you always got to have a good set of work gloves. And then, of course, we've got the GearAmerica Snatch Block. So this is essentially a giant pulley, heavy-duty. So what you do with this is if you need to double your pulling capacity, you can hook up your tree saver, run your winch through here, back to your vehicle, and it'll double your pulling power. So the Snatch Block, we're going to show you how to use that in an upcoming video. We're going to show you how to use one of these, how to use 2 of these, all kinds of fun stuff. So yeah, there it is. There is your complete GearAmerica Ultimate Recovery Kit. So yeah, bag, a couple of straps, a couple of shackles, snatch block, gloves, everything you're going to need to get yourself unstuck, all in a handy little case. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. We're going to have a lot of videos coming up with some use of this and some how to use it, how to set it up, some safety tips, instructional tips. So hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, because we're going to have a lot of stuff coming out, a lot of stuff for you guys. Like I said, tips, tricks, safety. Heck, we might even have some contests in there where you can win some cool gear like this. So that's it for now. Please check out the links below. We're going to have links to GearAmerica.net with a nice little discount code for you guys. So check them out. GearAmerica, lifetime warranty, GearAmerica.net. I'm Chris from Bold Canyon Outdoors signing off. Happy trails, everybody.